my name is Miss Nicole and I'm a children's librarian at the Central Library. Welcome to this week's STEM Fairy Tale Challenge. This week we are talking about the three billy goats gruff. According to this story, the three billy goats are trying to cross a bridge, but they meet a troll who's trying to eat them. They need to solve a riddle and bypass the troll. So today, STEM Challenge, we're going to create a raft out of craft supplies that we found around our house in order to defeat the troll and get past the bridge. So for this week's STEM Challenge, we are going to be making a raft out of tinfoil. Now my goats are going to be little rocks, so we have to make sure that our boat can hold 3 rocks or 3 goats. So I've got my goats here. And for all of our STEM challenges, we're going to be using the scientific method. So the first thing we want to do is ask. We want to ask, how are we going to get our billy goats across this river? So we need something that's going to float on water. So I'm going to make the size of my boat a little bit bigger. The next thing we want to do is imagine. We want to imagine what kind of boat we want to make that our billy goats can sit on. Now I don't want just a plain boat. I want to get creative with it. So I want to use things that I know will float on water, or I think will float on water. So I can fill it up with cotton balls, or I can fill it up with string or other things that I find around the house. Now the next thing we want to do is plan. We want to draw out what we're going to make with our boat, or what kind of boat we're going to make. It could have a sail. It can be made out of anything you can find around the house. And the next thing we want to do is create. We want to create a boat that will get our billy goats across that river. The next thing we want to do is test it. We want to test out our boat on the water, like in the bathtub or the sink, with a parent's permission, and see if our boat will hold all 3 of our goats. And the very last part of the scientific method is improve. If it doesn't work, it's okay. We want to make sure that we try again and improve on our design and see if it'll work better. And if it does work, congratulations. How can you make it even better the next time you try it? Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.